Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the euro fall 0.7% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the pound drop 0.3% against the dollar. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Apple has made a $100 million investment proposal to Indonesia to build a plant to manufacture accessories and components, the industry ministers said. The proposal comes after Indonesia banned sales of Apple's iPhone 16 over the firm's failure to meet local rules on components. British inflation jumped by more than expected last month to rise back above the Bank of England's 2% target, and underlying price growth gathered speed too, showing why the BOE is moving cautiously on interest rate cuts. Consumer prices rose by an annual 2.3% in October. Bitcoin rose to a fresh record high just shy of $95,000 after a report that Donald Trump's social media company was in talks to buy crypto trading firm Bakkt, boosted expectations of a crypto-friendly regime under his incoming administration.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
With pivotal data releases scheduled in the coming days, the economic calendar provides insight into which financial reports and economic updates are most likely to steer market activity. Traders should prepare for possible volatility. These economic indicators are set to guide market sentiment. Keeping a close watch and adjusting positions as necessary can help mitigate risks and capture opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.